This is very easy ribbon design using pearls. You need pearls, needle and thread, and tissue ribbon, and measuring tape, and pencil. Leave 1 centimeter in starting and start from here. Mark it on every 4 centimeter. 4, 8, 12, 16. Like that you have to mark on every 4 centimeter. And on opposite side, basically you have to make the triangle. So mark it on the center of this line. That means at 2 centimeter you're marking on opposite side, just like that. This is 4 centimeter and half of this is 2, so you are going opposite and making 1 mark here. This is 8 and half of this would come here, so on the opposite side make 1 marking. So complete making this pattern all over your ribbon. And how much length you must take, it depends on how big flower you want. You'll start stitching from here, this point, and go here, and on the opposite side we'll attach the pearl. You have to attach bead on one side. After making marking, just start stitching from one side. Make running stitch. When you reach to one corner, attach the pearl or bead like this. Like this. My advice is this: if you are a beginner, start pulling it from the starting. Or another thing is, you can just stitch in that way, in this triangular way, and at the end you can pull the thread. But if you are a beginner, you are not experienced one, then start pulling it now, so it won't be difficult for making the flower at the end. As you stitch, just pull it like this. Like that. Stitch it and pull it and give it flower shape like that, so it would be easy when you reach the end. Like this, just stitch and pull, and do it or repeat the same thing all over the ribbon and reach the end. At the end we will show how to close the flower. You can say this is the first method. We will stitch first and at the end we will start pulling. So it is just waste of time if you do at the end, because you need to just adjust this and it would be really difficult for beginners. And look at the second method. I was just stitching and pulling together. Simultaneously I was doing both things, just stitching and pulling. So it is ready. Now I don't need to waste time in adjusting the flower and giving it the shape. You can choose whichever method you like. And in this method you need less thread, and in first method you need extra thread. You can just see how easy it is to pull now. After doing this step, you have to just stitch on opposite petals like this. Again, see, here we have ended. After stitching this, you have to join it with opposite side like this. Hold them together and join. At the end, you have to hide this two ends. Your flower is ready. In the center you can attach pearl, bigger pearl. I am adding bigger pearl in the center.